ಹಾಯ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ವಪ್ನಾಸ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್. ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಮ್ BComನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪ್ಲೇನು ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರೋ ರೀಸನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೈರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್ ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೋ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫೈರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ರೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಬೈ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ್, where we can see war, revenge, and we can also see the fights among the brothers. Characters: King, Rabia, Arvasu, Vishaka, Nitilayi, Parvasu, Andaka, Yavakri, Bharatwaj, Brahma Rakshasa. The two sages talks about the brothers Parvasu and Arvasu. The king has proposed to conduct the fire rituals to pray Lord Indra for the rain because it has not rained for many years. Parvasu is appointed as a chief priest and has been performing the fire rituals for past 10 years. When the ritual is about to be conducted, Yavakri returned from his 10 years penance in the forest with a boon from Lord Indra. He happens to meet his past lover Vishaka, who is the wife of Parvasu. Arvasu is in search of Yavakri, discovers it and tries to protect his sister-in-law from his father, who is already against Vishaka. On learning about Vishaka's incest, he became furious and creates Brahma Rakshasa to destroy Yavakri. Unfortunately, Vishaka pours out the holy water from the Kamandala for his own safety. When Vishaka is prevented by the blind servant Andaka from entering the hermitage, Yavakri is destroyed by Brahma Rakshasa. As the ashram of Rabia, Vishaka about to destruction of her father-in-law. When Parvasu arrives at home, Vishaka informs him about the Rabia as he is trying to kill her during the brother's absence. Parvasu kills Rabia with his arrow. He pursues his brother to perform the last rites of his father. When Arvasu returns to him after the completion of the last rite, his brothers alleges that sinner of patricide, Arvasu has been already deprived of the marriage with a tribal beloved Nitilayi. As a result, he struggled with the relatives of Nitilayi. Nitilayi manages to escape from her settlement and Arvasu back to normal. At this point, they came across a drama. Arvasu played the role of Vritra and actor manager played the role of Indra. Indra and the other gods are impressed by the performance of Arvasu and appear before him to grant a boon to Arvasu. When the people forced him to ask for the ring, he pleaded Nitilayi to come back. Arvasu is made to realize that when the wheel of time is moved backward, all those who have died during the period will not be reappeared or given rebirth. When Arvasu does not give in and incense the same boon, Lord Indra agrees to grant it. At this time, Brahma Rakshasa, who has been released from the cycle of life that appears before, Arvasu appeals to him to give the moksha. Arvasu requests Lord Indra to grant a boon which results in the suspension of his early demand. At this moment, it begins to rain to the gratification of the people who have been deprived of the rain for the several years. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋರು, ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು 5 to 6 minutes ಅಥವಾ 4 minutes ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ಮರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.